Once, a caravan arrived in Medina and camped outside the city. Hazrat Umar Farooq personally went to ensure their safety and care. While patrolling, he heard the cry of a breastfeeding baby. He immediately went to the child's mother and said, "Fear Allah and do not make the child cry." After saying this, he moved on. However, after some time had passed, he noticed the child was still crying. So Hazrat Umar Farooq went back to the mother and repeated his advice. Later, during the last watch of the night, the child's crying was heard again. This time, Hazrat Umar Farooq became very angry and in a stern tone said to the mother, "May Allah question you. What kind of heartless mother are you? Why won't your child stop crying?" The mother replied, "O servant of Allah, I am not breastfeeding him, which is why he is crying out of stubbornness." Hazrat Umar asked her, "Why aren't you breastfeeding your child?" She replied, "Amir al-Mu'minin Hazrat Umar Farooq has ordered that no stipend from the Bait al-Mal public treasury will be allocated until children are weaned. For this reason I am weaning him, and that is why he is crying." Hazrat Umar asked her how old the child was, and she replied, "A few months old." Hearing this, Hazrat Umar said, "May Allah guide you. Do not rush to wean him so quickly." He then left. The woman did not recognize that he was Amir al-Mu'minin himself. After the far prayer, Hazrat Umar addressed the people while tears flowed from his eyes. He said, "O people, woe to Umar! How many children's blood is on his neck?" He then announced, "Do not rush to wean your children. I hereby allocate a stipend for every Muslim child." After this, Hazrat Umar Farooq set a stipend of 100 dirhams for every newborn. When the child gained some awareness, the stipend was increased to 200 dirhams, and after reaching maturity, it was further increased. If an orphan child was brought, a stipend of 100 dirhams was allocated, and the guardian was given a separate monthly allowance as needed. The Bait al-Mal would cover the expenses for the child's breastfeeding and maintenance, and the stipend would increase annually, just like for other children.